So this video here is going to be really short as there's not really a lot to cover. Setting your own toe in your garage is ridiculously simple. Just jack it up so the tires can free spin, and then take something like this, oil pastel, crayon, chalk, doesn't really make much of a difference what it is, and go near the center line on your tire. It doesn't have to be perfect, just somewhere on there. Just draw a line all the way around it. You can kind of hold it, hold it like this with one hand and spin the tire with the other. This tire is pretty knobby, so it wanted to jump back and forth. Just try your best to keep it on there. It's not an exact science. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it as close as you can, and of course do it on the other tire as well. Once you get that done, take your tape measure, measure from one line to the other on the front, and write that number down. And then go to the back side and measure from one side to the other and write that number down. And the difference there is your toe. That's it. There is a degree measurement you can do to get it exactly where it needs to be, but this case will be in inches, and I believe the JK, I want to say, is 1/8 of an inch. I don't know for sure. I have to look that up. But anyway, so as to how to adjust it, in my case here, you just take, see if I can get a little closer. You take your wrench, you put it on there on the jam nut, take your other one, put on the flats on the tie rod, break it, do it on the other side, rotate the tie rod one way to lengthen it, and the other way to shorten it. I can't remember which is which. I don't honestly remember. Anyway, if you lengthen it, you'll spread the tires further apart, which effectively decreases your toe in, makes it more toe out. And if you shorten the tie rod, it'll bring the fronts of the tires closer together, which is your toe in. So that's it. I mean, you can take it to a shop, you can have them check it there and pay $100 just to have them do what you can do here. Again, this isn't an exact science, so if you want to be sure that it's perfect, then absolutely go to a shop. But yeah, if you can live with it being just a little bit off, or I mean, hell, if you are careful enough and take enough time on this, you can get it dead nuts. So, yeah, like I said, it's really easy. Pastels, Crocs optional, tape measure. That's it. Real easy.